I reflect on the question in this paper and what my education has meant to me and how it has helped me in community leadership, I am amazed at how much it has helped me become a better leader and how it has expanded my knowledge on leadership. With good critical thinking skills, I am now able to motivate and empower others to a higher standard of achievement. Cecilia is being pinned by her husband, Rodney Ford Sr. Deborah Forrest. My goal, once I have my degree, is to figure out creative ways for Deborah to fill our beds. My community will benefit from my education because I will find ways to keep the children coming to Deborah to get the help that they so desperately need. Deborah is being pinned by her daughter, Nicole Cole. Joanne Velasco. I can honestly state that my education has brought me priceless experiences. I have grown both spiritually and intellectually through the mentoring of my instructors and colleagues in the field of nursing. Joanne is being pinned by her husband,